Welcome to ancient laws with insane consequences. Did you know that in Babylon, you drowned if you were wrong? Because nothing says justice like throwing people into rivers, this ancient code was carved in stone. Literally, around 1750 BCE, King Hammurabi created one of the earliest legal systems in human history, the Code of Hammurabi. It was carved into a 7-foot stone pillar and listed 282 laws. These weren't slap-on-the-wrist fines. They were eye for an eye, limb for a limb, life for a life, style justice. And law number 2, it set the tone fast. If anyone accuses another of a crime and cannot prove it, they shall be thrown into the river. No appeal, no jury, just deep breath and splash. Trial by water was divine judgment. To the Babylonians, rivers weren't just wet, they were sacred, connected to the gods. So if you survived being tossed into the Euphrates, it meant the gods forgave you, or you were innocent. If you drowned, well, turns out you were lying, and also dead. Yes, this was their version of a polygraph test, except it involved lungs full of river water. This law protected reputation with death. The purpose? To stop false accusations and protect social order. Making a claim without proof was deadly serious. Imagine accusing someone of theft, and you get the death penalty if you're wrong. No room for gossip, no room for rumors, only room for drowning. It wasn't just symbolic. People were thrown. In historical records show this wasn't just a threat. People were actually thrown in the river. The Babylonian court would gather. The accused, or the accuser, would be bound, then dropped into the Euphrates like a divine game of will it float. No one knew what would happen, except the gods. And if you're wondering, rich people could sometimes send a servant in their place. Because even in ancient Babylon, wealth bought floaties. Comment sink or sin if this law was rigged from the start. And follow for more laws where justice forgot the brakes.